Hey guys, welcome to a new episode. Today I shall be talking about quick cooking, 11 dosa in 7 minutes. A dosai or dosai in a thin pancake or crepe originating from South India made of a fermented batter predominantly consisting of lentils and rice. It is somewhat familiar to crepe in appearance, although savoury flavours are generally emphasized. Its main ingredients are rice and black gram ground together in a fine smooth batter with a dash of salt, then fermented. Dosas are a common dish in South Indian cuisine but now have become popular all over the Indian subcontinent. Dosas are served hot along with chutney by tradition and sambar in recent days. Other accompaniments include chutney powder, fine groundnut and lentil powder. Today, in the quick cooking episode, I will demonstrate how to make 11 types of dosa in very little time. Reasons to eat dosa. Easy on your digestive system. Dosas are not just a treat for your taste buds, but also light on your digestive system. The best source of carbohydrates. Dosa is also a great source of healthy carbohydrates. A good source of protein. Low on fat. Can be eaten as lunch, breakfast or dinner. Is tasty and healthy. Enjoy! Like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to click the bell icon. See you guys later. Bye.